We're at lot 15 and 18 Band Road in Boulder Creek, California. And I'm up here on the side of the mountain where we've got a lot of usable land. This is 1.84 acres with 2 parcels that are being sold together. And you've got this beautiful grove of redwood trees that's been super well maintained and taken care of. Let me show you my favorite features of this property. Once you go past the front gate, you go up the gravel road and you get up here to the top, you've got a lot of usable space. Not only that, but it's private. You can't see any other structures from here. So here towards the top of the hill, you get some great sunshine from this side of the property. The seller put a lot of preparation into this property, including a lot of the tree work. You can see behind me that there's a whole stack of redwood tree trunks here, ready for your use for whatever projects you're looking for. For utilities on this property, water and power are available at the street. And at 1.84 acres with both parcels combined, septic is feasible. Hold on. Did you hear that, Jordan? Oh, maybe it was just me. I don't know. Out here, could have been Bigfoot. I don't know. Maybe some extraterrestrials. Hey, thanks for coming to this tour of lot 15 and 18 Band Road up here in Boulder Creek, California. My name is Pistol Pete Eubank, working with the Eubank Property Group and Room Real Estate. If you want a private tour or more information, go ahead and give me a call. My number is 831-471-7330. I'll talk to you then.